Okay, I'm in side opposite left, left hand overhand, right hand underhand. I'm going to do a 4-petal flower. It has 3 rotations, so it hits the bottom of the turn here, 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 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I did what I did before with the 3-petal, I was doing the 3-petal with the bottom facing. So 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 2 o'clock, right? So it's not horizontal, it's a little bit higher than that. And then you kind of like slide across to here, and then you bring it back down. But it happens much faster than that because it's only 2 rotations. So bump, 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 bump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you were to do the hand path, it's this. Well, yeah, but it's not, it doesn't do a pedal on the top at all. Because if you were to look at where the pedals are on the clock, it's at 6 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 10. Yeah, so it's like this to this to this.